You may not be used to the kind of prayer, the kind of Bible study, the kind of vulnerability and accountability with a brother or sister to say, God's called me to build something. It's going to be hard, and I'm going to need a lot of help and a lot of support and a lot of prayer and a lot of strength. But some things are so hard to build that you can't do it unless you work next to someone who's working next to someone who's working next to someone, and you're surrounded by people working in you. That's why we do community groups. We do life together. We encourage you to get into a circle of men as a man, a circle of women as a woman, and to be there to build and encourage and strengthen, because there are things in your life that are too heavy and too hard to build without someone else.